Rooted Theory, EP1, Scene 1, Take 1.
Action!
We are closing out 2024. It's been a fantastic year. Now I've got some very exciting news that I've just been dying to share with you guys, because you guys have been with me from the very beginning of this journey. But I am very, very happy to announce that we will be rebranding. We're now going to be Rooted Theory. But before I share all that with you guys, I just want to say thank you for all the interactions. Thank you for commenting and just asking questions. Thank you so much for just being a part of this whole thing, because I cannot do this without you. So what does this all mean? At the core, we are going to continue with what brought us all together in the first place, a love and passion for everything green. But we are going to come into a new chapter that is totally going to expand on what we've been doing before. There is going to be so many amazing things we're going to be doing. We're talking everything from designing your landscape from a conceptual standpoint, all the way through to DIY projects and everything in between. And one thing that I'm very excited about, we are going to explore so many incredible places. Epic gardens and landscapes, stuff that's just gonna blow your mind. I cannot wait to take you guys there. And we are going to have some very special guests and do some pretty awesome collabs that I'm super excited about. If you have not yet subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I really want you all to be a part of where we're going next, so let's keep growing together.